On the previous trip to coastal Karnataka, I happened to discover so many hidden gems, the offbeat destinations that could turn tables. Enthralling experience, a dip in the waterfalls, we went on the boat that took us to a beautiful ancient temple. Spent a lovely evenings at some of the beautiful beaches on the earth, and we came to know about the basadis of Karnataka in Karkala. You can watch my previous videos on YouTube. Please click on the I button or check the link in the description. Well, on the other side, this is not the end of the flavors and colors. Just moving forward, today we are exploring one of the renowned church in Attur and an infamous hill close by. And last, an evening spot of Karkala. So let's ride towards it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do right away. St. Lawrence Church. The first glimpse of this 17th century church, locally known as Attur Church, completely mesmerized me. St. Lawrence Church draws thousands of devotees every year, especially during its annual festival called Attur Jatre. With an architectural style that seems to be a mix of Gothic and Romanesque, the Karkala Church looks more like a castle of fairy tales. Church in Attur has long and illustrious history behind it. The current shrine of Karkala Church was built in 1839. The Church of St. Lawrence in Karkala is believed to be the site of many miracles. Not just a shrine, but there is a pond of miracles. Few yards beside the church is a step pond called Pushkarani. Devotees believe that the water of this pond heals the disease. Hence, this pond is often referred to as the Miracle Pond. The Silent Hill, Parpalagiri. To the east of the Attur Church, we can ride on this asphalt road and deviate to a mud road that looks like a Thar wasteland. The tabletop hill gives you a perfect 360-degree panoramic view to witness an amazing sunset, relaxing view of the hamlet, the church, and the western coast of Karnataka. This place and Ramasamudram is linked in the history of the church. This wonderful sunset didn't stop us from doing some crazy stuff. We started running across the hill. Moistured by the glow of the sun, riding through the edge and capturing the best moments. I think these reasons are enough to explore this silent hill. Ride down the hill to walk around in this amazing lake called Anekere. A beautiful spot of Karkala, Anekere Lake has its own historical significance, surrounded with a paved lake, burnt for the joggers and visitors. It is located in the heart of the city and there is a basadi in the middle of the lake. Just like other mentioned places, it is soothing, less crowded place. If you step in this lake, make sure you take a walk around the lake to explore the beauty of it. Relax by taking the fish pedicure, watch the lovely sunset and birds flying around. See you on another episode at another great place. Until then, this is Imran signing off.